Okay, so Evan gave us a nice, found us a nice program to simulate the GPIO. So I'll put the link in on LMS. It's a zip file you have to download. So I've got it here. It's called gpio emulator. There it is right there. See, extract it and it creates a folder. And in there, there's the emulator GUI. That's the program you have to load into idle and run. So when you run it, you get this nice emulation of all the GPIO signals. So along with it comes a test program, tester 2, so you can run that. I created my own test program, and I also did a rotate. So I'll show you the rotate I did. Edit with idle, or just open it into idle. So anyway, I decided I'm going to use these 5 outputs here to rotate because they're nicely together. And then these 2 will be the 2 inputs. One will control direction and the other will stop it from rotating. So I'm not going to describe it. Well, I already showed you this rotate left, rotate right functions. Here's my output bits where I actually output these bits. So those are my bits. My ones and zeros, where are they? There's my outputs. And my bits are there. Yeah, so they're all zeros except for a 1. It's going to rotate around. Anyway, so the function will output these bits to these outputs. They just iterate through the bits. You need an index as well. Iterate through the bits. So it'll grab the zeros and ones and send them to the outputs. And use the output, use the index for the output, and here's the particular bit. And then you increment your index each time through so that you index through the output list. Okay? Iterate the bits using for bit in my bits and index through the outputs, just like we did in the Python class. So anyway, when I run this, here's my output rotating around. This one controls direction the other way, and this one stops it.